Hey guys, Chef George Duran here. I'm going to help you make the most delicious eggnog French toast you've ever had using some of this sweet brioche bread. You can also use challah bread as well. But the first thing you want to do is cut a few slices, about 3/4 inch to an inch thick, no more. Here we have a couple of eggs, and to that, instead of adding milk, I'm actually going to add some eggnog. Use your favorite eggnog. They're usually very sweet, and this is the reason we're not adding any sugar to this. So straight into the eggs, and to that, we're going to add a little bit of cinnamon, and to that, a little bit of freshly grated nutmeg, a pinch of salt, and whisk that away. Once it's nice and mixed, we're going to go ahead and add the slices of sweet bread or challah in there. Now, you want to press it gently in there because it is very fragile, and just for about 30 seconds, no more, because this is a very delicate bread. You don't want it to break up. So I've taken some softened butter and I've placed it on the Brava metal sheet where I'm going to be putting my French toast on. Straight into the Brava, 2 pieces, and ready to go. Okay, let's take a look. Look at that. Perfectly browned, golden, puffy eggnog French toast. Drizzle some maple syrup and some whipped cream, and you've got the perfect holiday breakfast or dessert. Yum.